of seaplane pilots, but it's not really an air show. It is a mixture between lifestyle event and air show. So we have good music, we have a good show. All the pilots have a lot of fun here, and everyone is interested to be here because they have the permission to land as much as they want on the water. Well, at first they can fly. The first is, in their own country, sometimes they have a permission just for 5 takeoff and landing in a year. And here they can have so much as they want. And they meet themselves, pilots with same aircraft, with other aircraft, so they can talk about the technical problems. Registration is always a problem. A lot of them are registered in the United States. So these are the problems they have, and of course technical problems. Some of them are very, very old aircraft. We have one here, it's a small Piper without an electric system. This Piper is from 1938, very, very old aircraft, but in a perfect condition. We've got more aircraft, more international aircraft. When we started, we have just single-engine aircraft with floats, and no big aircraft, no amphibian aircraft, no seaplanes. And now it comes more and more. And the most important thing for us is, from the outside country, from Russia, they ask us to come here to meet us and be part of the Scalaria Air Challenge. So we get more and more outside in the countries, and more people and more pilots know that we are here, that we have this meeting. Normally it's not allowed to land with a seaplane here. We need a special permission for doing that. We have a year maybe 2 or 3 landings with an aircraft from Flying Bull, with a caravan. But normally it's not allowed to land here because it's the private side of the lake. So just for this show, everything is open. Most important thing, the cooperation with the government is nearly perfect, because we have 2 lands. The lake is split in Salzburg country and in Upper Austria country, so we need 2 permissions for doing that, but it's easy and works very, very well, very cooperative. I'm from Germany. In Germany you cannot have such a meeting. No, that's not possible. It's not possible. It's just specially for the Scalaria Air Challenge, especially for that event. 1 time in a year, not more. It's not allowed. There is sometimes a possibility to land for him. If here is a special event, so we invite him to come with his plane to fly VIP or something like that. But normally not. It is closed area because half of the lake is private. We don't have that. No, we don't have it. We don't have any lake here where you have a permanent permission to fly with seaplanes. You also need a special permission for all landings and flights, for every of them. It will develop very, very much, because a lot of construction work around the world are just working on that. And they are very interesting. For example, in Hungary, I have seen in the air show in Friedrichshafen this year at the Aero, very, very good construction, new models. I think it's growing more and more. And I also think that the government in the future will open the lakes and the water places more for that, the rivers and also lakes. Yes, I think so. We have a big start in Scandinavia. There's a really open country. All the countries in Scandinavia are open for water flying. It's especially the nature. They have a lot of lakes and they have a lot of nature and distance, and not so many railways, not so good roads. So they use this aircraft like in America or in Canada. And I think more and more it will come, because it's not only a sport, it's also a business, of course.